Cherished for centuries for its unmistakable aroma, lavender has many therapeutic benefits. Lavender's ability to calm and soothe the mind and body continue to be one of the most notable qualities of lavender. Applying lavender to the back of the neck and to the temples helps reduce muscle tension, while inhaling lavender promotes relaxation and a restful night's sleep, making it ideal for diffusing at bedtime or when stress is high. With so many benefits and versatility, lavender is a must-have oil that you should have on hand at all times. Lavender is calming and relaxing. It is soothing for occasional skin irritations. The aroma can also help ease tension.